Badaling Great Wall, the best northern route experience at Badaling Great Wall. The northern route of the Badaling Great Wall offers a remarkable journey through history and breathtaking landscapes. Known for its well-preserved structure and stunning views, this section is perfect for those seeking an authentic Great Wall adventure. As you ascend the ancient steps, you'll be captivated by the magnificent scenery of rolling hills and winding fortifications that stretch far into the horizon. Unlike the southern route, the northern path is more crowded, attracting visitors who aim to conquer the famous Hero Slope at Watchtower No 7 and No 8. This section is steeper and more challenging, offering a rewarding experience for those who reach the top. Key watchtowers provide excellent vantage points for capturing stunning photos and appreciating the grandeur of this ancient marvel. Busto, a renowned travel service provider in Beijing, offers a comfortable and hassle-free journey to the Badaling Great Wall. With our professional English-speaking guides and air-conditioned buses, you can enjoy a seamless experience without worrying about shopping stops or detours. Choose Busto for a memorable and authentic northern route adventure at Badaling.